How to fix TSB Bank app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name TSB and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Now scroll down, navigate to the option of general, head over to the option of iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Likewise, from here, find the app TSP. After you find it, open it. Then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once you reinstall the app, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is apply solution 3. That is, you will need to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, go ahead and click on the option of Delete app. With that, you're going to get the pop-up, select the option of delete app. With that, the app will be deleted from your device. Once you delete the app, you can launch your app store, then search for the app TSP. After app appears, just install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix TSB Bank app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.